107 question number 4. Find the least number which must be subtracted from each of the following number so as to get a perfect square. Also find the square root of the perfect square so obtain. So we are going to start with the part 1. The number we are having is the 402. So we are going to find the square root of the number. First of all, we are going to make the pair. So this one we are having. Now we are going to take the number. Number we have 2 2s are 4. Not having any remainder. Then we are going to take this pair. Now we are going to double this one. So this is the 2 2s are 4. Now this is the 10th place we are having. We have to find the ones place. So I'm going to write here. If I'm going to take 0, then the number will be 0 and 0. So I'm going to write here 0 and 0. If I'm going to take 1, then this will be 41, which is greater than 2. So I'm going to take 40, then I'm going to take the remainder as 2. So we have to subtract 2 from the 402 for making it the perfect square. So I'm going to write here we get remainder as 2. Therefore 2 must be subtracted from 402 to get a perfect square. So 402 minus 2, we are having the number 400. Now 400 square is equal to the 20. This is the part 1. Now comes to the part 2. The number we are having is the 1989. First of all, we are going to make the pair here. So we are having 2 pairs. So we are having the number 19 now. Now 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 25. So 5 5s are 25 is the greater. So we are going to take 4 4s are 16 here. Then we are going to get the remainder as 3. Now we are going to take this pair 89 downwards. Now we are going to double this one. So this is the 4 2s are 8. Now this is the 10th place we are having. We have to find the ones place here. So I'm going to take 3. Now 3 3s are 9 and 3 8s are 24. This is smaller than 389. Now we are going to take the 7 here. So 7 7s are 49. Carry 4. Now 7 8s are 56. 56 and 4 we are having as the 60. Now this is greater than 389 we are having. Now I'm going to take the number as 4. So I'm going to write here 4 4s are 16. Carry 1. 4 8s are 32 and 1 33. So the number we are having is 336. Now we're going to write here 336. If I'm going to take 5, then the number will be 5 5s are 25. Carry 2. 5 8s are 40 into 42. This is greater than 389. So I'm going to take 336 here. Then the remainder will be 53. So I'm going to write here we have multiplied by the 4 and this is 4. So we have to subtract 53 from the number for making it the perfect square. So I'm going to write here we get remainder as 53. Therefore 53 must be subtracted for making it a perfect square. So we have to subtract 1989 minus 53. Then we are going to get the number as 1936. And root 1936 is equal to the 44 we are having. So this is the part 2. Now comes to the part 3. The number we are having is 3250. First of all, we are going to make the pair here. So this one we are having. Now 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 25, 6 6s are 36. 36 is greater, so we're going to take 5 5s are 25. Then the remainder we have as the 7. Now we're going to take this one, the pair downwards, and we're going to double this one. So this is the 5 2s are 10. Now this is the 100 place, this is the tens place we are having. We have to find the ones place here. So I'm going to take the number as 7. Now 7 7s are 49. Carry 4. Now 4 and 7 ones are 7. So we are having 749. This is closer to the 750. So I'm going to write here 749. We are having the remainder as 1. So we're going to write here the remainder is 1. Therefore 1 must be subtracted from 3250 for making it a perfect square. 3250 minus 1, so we have 3249, and the root 3249 is equal to the 57 we are having. Now this is the part 3. Now comes to the part 4. The number we are having is 825. First of all, we are going to make the pair here. So the number we are having 8. Now 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9 is greater, so I'm going to write here 2 2s are 4. Then the remainder will be 4. Now we're going to take the number here downwards, the pair, and then we're going to double this one. So this is the tens place we are having. We have to find the ones place here. So I'm going to multiply it by the 8. I'm going to write here 8. 8 8s are 64. Carry 6. 8 4s are 32. 32 and 6 we are having as the 38. So the number we are having is 384. Now I'm going to try with 9. 9 9s are 81. Carry 8. 9 4s are 36. 36 and 8 we are having as the 44. Now this is the greater than the number we are having. So we are going to take 48 8s are 384. Now we are going to subtract this one. So we are going to get the remainder as 41. So we are going to write here the remainder is 41. Therefore 41 must be subtracted from 825 for making it a perfect square. So first of all, we are going to subtract 825 minus 41. Then we are going to get the number as 784. Now root 784 is equal to the, we are having 28. Now this is the part 4. Now comes to the part 5. The number we are having is the 4000. First of all, we are going to make the pair here. So we are having two pairs. First of all, we are having 40. Now 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 60, 5. Now 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 25, 6 6s are 36, 7 7s are 49, which is greater. So we are going to take 6 6s are 36. So we are having the remainder as 4. Now we are going to take the pairs down. Now we are going to double this one. So 6 2s are 12. Now this is the 100, this is the tens place. We have to find the ones place here. So first of all, I am going to take the number here 3. So if I am going to take 3, now 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. So we are having 369. Now if I am going to take 4, now 4 4s are 16, carry 1, 4 2s are 8 and 1 9 and 4 1s are 4. Now this is greater than 400 we are having. So we are going to take 3 here. 123 multiplied by 3, the number we are having is 369. Now we are going to subtract this one. So we are going to get the remainder as equal to the 31, this one. So I'm going to write here the remainder is 31 Therefore, 31 must be subtracted for making it a perfect square. So 4000 minus 31, we are going to get the number as equal to the 3969. Now root 3969 is equal to the 63 we are having. This is the part 5. With this one we have completed the question number 4. In the next video we are going to start with the question number